Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that could change your financial future: unlocking passive income through automated YouTube channels. Imagine earning $200 a day with minimal effort, all while you focus on what you love. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. With the right strategies and tools, you can create a YouTube channel that works for you, even while you sleep. In this beginner-friendly video, we'll explore how automation can help you generate income without the constant grind of traditional jobs. You don't need to be a tech wizard or a seasoned content creator to get started. We'll break down the steps you need to take to set up your channel and let it run on autopilot. Passive income is crucial for achieving financial freedom. It allows you to build wealth over time, giving you the freedom to pursue your passions without the stress of financial constraints. So, if you're ready to learn how to create a sustainable income stream through YouTube, stick around. This could be the first step toward a more liberated lifestyle. Understanding passive income. Passive income is a financial concept that refers to earnings generated with minimal effort on your part. Unlike active income, which requires you to trade time for money, like a traditional job, passive income allows you to earn money even while you sleep. This distinction is crucial for anyone looking to achieve financial independence and build wealth over time. The benefits of passive income are numerous. Imagine waking up to find that your bank account has grown overnight, all because you set up a system that works for you. This kind of income can provide financial security, reduce stress, and give you the freedom to pursue your passions without the constant worry of making ends meet. There are various streams of passive income, and one of the most innovative is through YouTube. By creating automated channels, you can generate revenue from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing without needing to be constantly involved in content creation. This means you can focus on other projects or enjoy your free time while your YouTube channel continues to earn for you. Understanding and leveraging passive income streams like YouTube can be a game changer in your financial journey. What are automated YouTube channels? Automated YouTube channels are a revolutionary way to create content with minimal hands-on involvement. The concept of automation in content creation involves using various tools and software to streamline the process of video production, uploading, and even audience engagement. This means you can set up a channel that generates content and revenue without needing to be actively involved every day. There are several tools available for automation, such as video creation software like Pictory or Lumen 5, which can transform text into engaging videos. Additionally, platforms like TubeBuddy and VidIQ help optimize your videos for search, ensuring they reach a wider audience. These tools can significantly reduce the time and effort required to maintain a successful channel. Successful examples of automated channels include those that focus on niche topics like relaxation music, motivational quotes, or educational content. Channels like Relaxing White Noise and Top 10s have gained substantial followings by consistently delivering content without the creator being on camera. By leveraging automation, these channels can generate passive income while providing value to their viewers, proving that with the right approach, anyone can tap into the potential of automated YouTube channels. Setting up your automated channel. Creating your own automated YouTube channel can be an exciting venture, and it all starts with choosing the right niche. Begin by identifying a topic you're passionate about or one that has a proven audience demand. Research trending subjects and analyze what successful channels in that niche are doing. Once you've settled on a niche, it's time to create content. Use automation tools to help generate videos, whether through text-to-video software or by curating existing content with proper attribution. Branding is crucial for your channel's success. Develop a unique name, logo, and channel art that reflect your niche and resonate with your target audience. Consistent branding helps establish credibility and makes your channel more recognizable. Don't forget to optimize your channel by filling out the About section, using relevant keywords, and creating engaging thumbnails that attract clicks. To set up automation tools effectively, start by integrating video creation software that aligns with your content style. Use scheduling tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to plan your uploads in advance. Additionally, consider using analytics tools to track performance and adjust your strategy as needed. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to launching a successful automated YouTube channel that generates passive income. Monetization strategies. When it comes to automated YouTube channels, understanding monetization strategies is key to generating income. One of the primary methods is through YouTube's Partner Program, which allows creators to earn money from ads displayed on their videos. To be eligible, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply to join the program and start earning revenue from ads. In addition to ad revenue, there are alternative monetization methods that can significantly boost your income. Affiliate marketing is a popular choice, where you promote products or services in your videos and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. This strategy works particularly well if your content aligns with specific products that your audience may find valuable. However, it's important to remember that audience engagement plays a crucial role in revenue growth. The more engaged your viewers are, the more likely they are to watch your videos, click on ads, and make purchases through your affiliate links. Encourage comments, likes, and shares to foster a community around your channel. By combining YouTube's partner program with alternative monetization methods and focusing on audience engagement, you can maximize your automated channel's earning potential. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now, and you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. There is also a free webinar that goes into detail about the course. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. Now let's continue. Promoting your channel. Promoting your automated YouTube channel is essential for gaining visibility and attracting subscribers. One effective strategy is to leverage social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Share snippets of your videos, behind-the-scenes content, or engaging posts related to your niche to draw attention to your channel. Utilizing these platforms allows you to connect with a broader audience and drive traffic to your YouTube content. Another crucial aspect of promotion is search engine optimization, SEO. By optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords, you can significantly increase your channel's visibility in search results. Research popular keywords in your niche and incorporate them naturally into your content. This will help potential viewers discover your videos more easily, leading to higher watch times and subscriber growth. Additionally, consider collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche. Partnering with creators who have a similar audience can introduce your channel to new viewers and foster a sense of community. Collaborations can take many forms, such as guest appearances, shoutouts, or joint projects. By combining these strategies, utilizing social media, focusing on SEO, and collaborating with others, you can effectively promote your automated YouTube channel and accelerate its growth. Analyzing performance. To ensure the success of your automated YouTube channel, it's essential to analyze its performance regularly. YouTube Analytics is a powerful tool that provides valuable insights into how your videos are performing. Key metrics to focus on include watch time, audience retention, click-through rate, CTR, and subscriber growth. These metrics help you understand what content resonates with your audience and where improvements can be made. Interpreting this data is crucial for refining your content strategy. For instance, if you notice that certain videos have higher watch times or retention rates, consider creating more content in that style or on similar topics. Conversely, if some videos have low engagement, analyze the reasons behind it. Perhaps the title or thumbnail wasn't compelling enough, or the content didn't meet viewer expectations. Encouraging regular performance reviews is vital for ongoing success. Set aside time each month to dive into your analytics, assess trends, and adjust your strategy accordingly. By staying proactive and responsive to the data, you can continuously improve your content, engage your audience more effectively, and ultimately drive greater success for your automated YouTube channel. Remember, the key to growth lies in understanding and adapting to your audience's preferences. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 100 to choose from.